Bye, love you.
Bye.
What's up, guys? Just doing a quick like 30-45 minute ride today, just because it's so nice out. Don't have too much time, but anytime I get to get out on this bike is fun. Figured I might as well record it for you guys. See, guys, I always like to come over here to the art museum because you get really interesting interactions with people and the bike. So that's always great for the content, especially for Instagram. Speaking of Instagram, shout out to everyone. 10K followers now, which is crazy because I had 140 followers as of like 3 weeks ago. And I just started posting and now I've got 10K. So it's pretty damn sick. So shout out to all you guys. Is that a Suron? He likes it. Gotta be it. Coast Zone, which that kind of was, but we'll get there though. We certainly will. The thing is, like, I gotta make my hands operate separately because I take off my throttle hand and then I'm kind of forgetting to use my brake hand, which isn't good. Drop back. There we go. Sure, there's gonna be some people hype about it. What up? What's good? Pull you to it? Yeah, I got you. Let me think where you should grab. You can grab this. See how it feels. Oh. Let's go. See what I mean, guys? The best of the best clips out here. And right up the hill. All right, gonna run up top here, see if anyone's at the typical meetup spot. I don't think anyone's gonna be here because I'm here pretty early, but worth a shot, right? Family photo. Someone's back here. How we doing? Yep. Good, good. How about you? Whew, it's hot. Just said what up to one of the homies and we're heading back out now. It's a good spot for a throttle one-hander because it's downhill. Let's give it a try. Ready? Coast. That's where we need to do it. So. Oh! That was a millisecond one. All right, let's try again. Oh! Yeah, they've clearly got something down here. Dude, shit, I could be in the circus with my wheelie skills. Are you kidding me? All right. Look at that. Beautiful. Like, when could you ever do this on a gas bike? Seriously. Well guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I will end it by showing you the bike in front of City Hall. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, I'll catch you next time. Peace.